Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn money on TikTok. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, you will need just to open your TikTok application and log in into your account. And then we will need just to go to our profile so we can start enrolling for some programs to earn money on TikTok. You need just to click either on your business suite so you can find your growth center. So if you were using like ads and selling products, or you can just like go to your settings and privacy and then go down and basically just go back, and then we will need just like to go to the creator tools. In here we will find the promote. And here, as you can see, we can find this promotion here. So basically, you will need just to start like promoting your ads or your videos so that are selling some products. So it will be like a form of ad. You will need just to have your video where you want to sell a product, and then you will need just to promote it so you can start like earning money. And basically you will be able to start like controlling your content and growing your content so you can have more buyers, and you can like just have your account to be like a professional one. So basically if you go to navigation bar, you can find the business suite where you can control all your videos or your ads. So basically we need just to go to settings and privacy, you go account, and then you can find here switch to personal account. In my case, since I have already professional account, but you will find switch to professional account and will be able to start having like this business suite or like the only dashboard where you can have control on your content. So basically after that you can start like managing your content by seeing the analytics, and also you can have other features here on the business suite. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.